So you have a Roku Streambar remote where you have issues. Maybe you have one button or several buttons that don't work, or perhaps you have like a delayed response, like maybe when you try to open up your Netflix, it takes much longer, or maybe you're trying to move to the right somewhere on the screen. Instead of taking like 1 second, it takes like 3, 4, 5, even like 10 seconds. Or maybe the remote kind of has a mind of its own. Maybe you're pressing like down and it'll keep going down. Or if you look on your screen, it looks like someone's magically just like tapping things on your remote. Anyway, I'm going to give you guys a couple easy fixes. Now take note that this is only going to help maybe like 50% of you guys, but this is a really possible easy fix. So the first thing you want to try is make sure your TV is on. Make sure you're on the Roku here. Put the TV on. Go to wherever your TV is plugged into. And what I want you to do is pull the plug. Okay, so TV is on. Pull the plug. Wait 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, plug it back in. Turn your TV on and then see if your Roku remote is working correctly. If it's still down, we're going to go to the next possible solution. Okay, so the next thing we're going to try is go ahead and grab your remote and you want to pull the batteries out. Okay, so let's pop the back plate off. Go ahead and take out both the batteries. Now with the batteries out, I want you to turn the remote over, and then what I want you to do is spam every single button on here. Okay, but the first thing is this. You have a power button here. Press and hold this for like 10 seconds, power button. Just press and hold it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, let go. Now start with the power button again and just spam. Press in and out every single button on here. You want to get everything like basically loose and unstuck. Because what happens is, you know, if you get water in your remote or coffee or a sweat or hand lotion, it can cause all kinds of issues on the remote. Okay, so keep spamming every single button. Even the mute and the volume rockers do the same thing. Up and down, all over. Give it a couple whacks like that. Now go ahead and put your batteries back in. Now what you're going to have to do first is you're going to have to pair it, okay, because it's not paired right now. So press and hold the button right here. Let's press and hold. And just wait till the green light comes on. Oops, let me press and hold. Just wait till the green light starts flashing. Okay, then we'll see if it pairs. If it doesn't pair first time while the green light is on, then go ahead and do it again. Okay, it didn't pair for me that first time. Let me do it again. Let me press and hold this button. Wait for that green flashing light. Okay, there it is. And let's see, give it 1 second here. Okay, there you go. It took me like 3 times. I had to take the batteries back out and press and hold this button. But anyway, it's pairing right now. And then once it's paired, go ahead and see if your remote is working. Now, if it's still not working, then what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing again, okay? Remember, let's go ahead and pull out the batteries again. Then don't forget, you have the power button on here, okay? Press and hold the power button for like 10 or 15 seconds. Just press and hold. Just keep holding with the batteries out. After you're done, 10, 15 seconds, let go. And then start spamming every single button on here again, just like we just did. Every single button, even the volume rockers and mute button here on the side. Give it a couple whacks, pop the batteries back in, make sure it's paired, and see if your remote is up and working. If you still have issues, do the same thing again, okay? Pop out the batteries, remember. And you want to basically try this step, at least like try it up to 7 times, okay? And the thing is, if you're still down, then it's a good possibility that has something to do with your battery. So get yourself 2 new sets of battery. It doesn't have to be brand new batteries, just get 2 different sets of batteries. Pop that in there, pair the remote, and then see if you're up and running, okay? So like I said, this should work for 50% of you guys. So if it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. Good luck, guys.